Here we are at 355 Unit A, Nob Hill. This is a studio apartment that is furnished. And we'll take a look inside. When you walk inside, you can see everything is completely done. It's been painted. It has hardwood floors. Comes with a refrigerator, stove, microwave, all new cabinets. It does have a stackable washer and dryer, and you can see it's got tons of storage all over the place. You'll see nice cabinets for everything. And then, of course, the kitchen cabinets as well. The living area, of course, is, like I said, this unit comes furnished. It does have a window AC unit. It has electric heating. Here's the bedroom area. Again, more storage. There's even storage underneath the bed. There's drawers under here. Little armoire, which is kind of nice. It does have a rack that slides out, so you can hang clothes kind of sideways here. Here's a look back towards the front. The whole unit is all hardwood floors. Here's a look at the floors. The bathroom is tiled, though. That's the only exception. Inside the bathroom, here's the tiled floors. And these are heated. There's radiant heat in the floors for the bathroom. Here's the kitchen, or the bathroom sink. Again, lots of nice storage. And it's a stand-up shower only. And another closet store rack right at the entrance of the bathroom. And this has been 355 Unit A, Nob Hill. If you have more questions, please give me a call, 541-687-9090, or email manager@pioneerpm.com.